AYANEO, a gaming hardware company, is generating excitement with its upcoming launch of a new handheld gaming console. Following the recent unveiling of the AYANEO 2S, the company is now preparing to release the highly anticipated Air 1S model. With its impressive specifications, there is speculation that this new console could potentially rival popular offerings like the Asus ROG Ally. While specific details regarding the Air 1S model are not provided, it's reasonable to assume that AYANEO has made significant advancements in terms of hardware and features. Handheld gaming consoles are known for their compact size and portability, and AYANEO aims to deliver an exceptional gaming experience in this form factor. The AMD Ryzen 7 7840U powered Air 1S model will be released as a mid-cycle refresh. To put it another way, the upcoming handheld console will have Zen 4 CPU cores, along with integrated RDNA 3 graphics and LPDDR5X RAM. This chip has been observed to outperform the Ryzen Z1 series chipset, which is the APU that powers the Asus ROG Ally, in terms of performance. In other words, the upcoming Air 1S model might compete in the handheld market with the ROG Ally. LPDDR5X memory will be used with this processor. Both the cooling system and the stereo speaker setup have been upgraded for the Air 1S. Additionally, the portable console has a 5.5-inch AMOLED screen with a native resolution of 1080p and a maximum brightness of 350 nits. This panel has a DCI-P3 color gamut of 99% and a 16:9 aspect ratio. The AYANEO Air 1S is generating excitement among gaming enthusiasts due to its impressive features and capabilities. One notable aspect of the console is its comprehensive set of joysticks and triggers, which provide gamers with precise control and an immersive gaming experience. Accompanying these controls is an X-axis linear motor, which further enhances tactile feedback, making gameplay more engaging and immersive. Powering the AYANEO Air 1S is a 38 Wh battery pack, which offers a considerable amount of battery life for extended gaming sessions on the go. This allows gamers to enjoy their favorite titles without constantly worrying about running out of power. The inclusion of a robust battery ensures that users can have uninterrupted gaming sessions, even when away from a power source. While the AYANEO Air 1S showcases impressive features, the official launch date for this particular model has yet to be confirmed by the company. As eager gamers await its release, it is recommended to stay updated through official sources or reliable gaming and tech publications to receive the latest information and updates regarding the launch date and availability of the AYANEO Air 1S. As the release date draws near, the company is likely to provide more details regarding the console specifications, pricing, and availability. Gamers who are interested in the AYANEO Air 1S can look forward to these forthcoming updates, which will provide a clearer picture of what to expect from this handheld gaming console. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Have a nice day and God bless you.